What's up, online shoppers? I want to give you my feedback on this totally amazing mixer. This is the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer, and it is my favorite kitchen appliance. I have made hundreds of dozens of cookies in this, Christmas cakes. I've even made pasta and sausage in this. This is seriously one of the most versatile tools that you can get for your kitchen because of all the different things that it can do. Yes, it makes cookies. Yes, you can whip up a cake batter. Yes, you can make whipped cream in this because look at all these great attachments. But did you know that you can actually take this off right here with the screw, remove the edge, and add in either a pasta maker attachment or a sausage grinder attachment? You can even make ice cream with this. This mixer is one of my favorite tools because it is so versatile. Now, this mixer came with all these parts that you see. First of all, it's got this really gorgeous stainless steel mixing bowl. It screws right into the bottom so that you have it nice and secure. And this thing here goes in the dishwasher and washes up super easy. I also like that the whole mixer wipes down really nice with a damp cloth. Now, as far as features, this mixer has 10 different speeds, and you can see them here. You actually have a locking mechanism so that you can't lift it up, but also if you move it this way, you can lift it up, which makes it super easy for putting on all the attachments like this whisk. They have the standard KitchenAid attachment here, so all you have to do is just put it in like this, give it a push, a twist, and it's fully and secure. Turn it on, lock it in place, and then get it going. You can see that it is mixing in there. Really nice. Now, one of the things I really love about the KitchenAid mixer is that the mixing bowl is designed to get everything mixed all at once. And if you take a look inside the bowl, there's actually a little ridge in here that rises up so that you don't have a bunch of ingredients at the bottom that don't mix. That's very convenient. Now, you also have a bread hook and some other smaller hooks, as well as this really nice paddle, which I use all the time for mixing cakes and cookie doughs. And you got a splash guard, which is pretty cool. You can put this on your bowl. You can put your paddle in place just like this. Push it in and lock it. You can put your edge guard on here. Now you can actually add ingredients in here on this little slope and not have to worry about spilling all over your counter, which is another super convenient feature of this. And then when you're done, all you have to do is actually lift it up and slide it and just remove it quite easy like that off the side of your machine. This really is a universal and multi-purpose machine. This is a machine that I would never go without in my kitchen. My kids and I have baked hundreds of dozens of cookies and made hundreds of cakes with this. It is definitely one of my favorite kitchen appliances, and it is absolutely a family favorite at my house.